Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I'm going to do a little bit of journaling in my A6 Hobonichi Techo. We are finishing up November, which is bananas to me. So come along and let's get some journaling done. On Thursday, I still didn't have any Sprocket paper, so I sent a picture to get printed, a 4x4 picture, and I used the Pick Stitch app and was able to make, that 4x4 into four small little pictures, which is a great tip if you don't have a Sprocket, but you want little photos for journals and stuff like that. It's perfect. It's absolutely genius, and I love it. And so I printed out some pictures of Thanksgiving, and I'm putting them in there. My husband is the cook for big dinners and pretty much any dinner that I don't have to cook. He will cook. And he's like one of those people that throw the towel over their shoulder. So my mother-in-law got him a kitchen scarf. So I took a picture of him in his kitchen scarf because it makes me laugh and I love it. And so, we just took a family selfie, and there was a little bit of magazine collage in there. That was an image from Real Simple that I had pulled a long time ago that I just liked. And then, let's see, after we got done eating Thanksgiving dinner, my mom and Michael and the kids and I played Pictionary. Well, it was sort of our version of Pictionary, which was super funny. It was basically just trying to all guess what the person was drawing. We weren't really keeping score, but it was so funny. Oh Lord. Addie thinks what she's drawing is so obvious, and then you find out what it actually is and you're like,
oh, yeah, I see that.
Oh man. And this sticker book, the American Crafts Season Sticker Book, is clutch, you guys. It's so good. If you have a Tuesday morning, go check and see if you can find it. If not, I will try and link it on Amazon, but it's the cutest. There's so many seasonal stickers, and I am going kind of sticker crazy in this journaling session. I put a lot of them in just because, I don't know, I loved them, and I really didn't have much to journal about per se on the day. It was just spent with family, and they're the people that I'm thankful for. So I just put in pictures because I just wanted pictures of the things that make me happy and, remind me of the day. So I really liked that. And then I sent in another one of our family Christmas with my husband's family that comes down. They come down and we celebrate Christmas after Thanksgiving on that weekend. And I printed out this picture because my kids got a ping pong table from their grandma and grandpa. And so they were super thrilled about that. And then more stickers from the seasonal sticker book. They're just super cute. I love that little house in the jar. Like, it's kind of like a little snow globe. It just is so precious. Like, they're just cute stickers, and it just kind of reminded me of that homey feeling because when everyone's at our house, it's just homey, in kind of a crazy way. The opening scene in Home Alone where everyone's running around and screaming and running into each other? That's kind of like what it's like, but it feels very homey. Oh yeah. And everyone had to drive in terrible weather to get down there, so I'm just glad that they all got there safe and we enjoyed each other's company for a little while. So I wanted to put in that, and that we opened presents when I got home from work on Friday. I was lucky. I only had to work 4 hours, and so when I got home, we all opened presents, which was really fun. And then I know you guys are all dying to know how the escape room went on Saturday. It was crazy, you guys. I've never done one before. We started all handcuffed and shackled together, sitting on this bench, and the name of our breakout room was called Hostage. It was intense, you guys. We were trying to foil this terrorist plot, and we had to, I think my husband went into it a little overconfident because he's super, super smart. And so he's like, this will be hard, but like, I mean, we'll get out. You guys, we had to ask for a clue, or else we would not have gotten out of those damn handcuffs, let alone the room. It was crazy. I mean, you really have to think. But it was so fun. It was really fun. And it was just us in there, which was kind of cool. Like, we didn't have to talk to any other strangers. You know, I hate people, so... Except you guys. I don't hate you. You're my people, so... and then when we got done, the guy gave us a card with, like, the name of the room that we did and his name on it, you know. And then there was stickers where you, like, you know, pay at the end or whatever. There was a basket of stickers. I was like, well, let me just help myself to 1 or 15 of these. I loved it. I think that basically everything should come with a sticker. Everyone should give out a sticker. Like, I went to the dentist, I got a sticker. Well, I mean, kids get stickers, but like, the dentist should have.
Never mind, because they do give out stickers, so that didn't make any sense.
Never mind. But you guys know what I'm saying. Like, stickers are fun, which is basically the basis of my entire channel. And I'm making a tip in because we were able to do the escape room because my in-laws, my mother and father-in-law, took my kids and all of their cousins to the science center for the entire day. That is, my 2 kids are the oldest, and then 2, like, toddler age, I mean, they're like, what are they, 5 and 4? And then 2 babies, 2 15-month-olds. They were gone all day. They're insane. My mother-in-law is a saint. Like a literal saint. Yeah, I have no more to say about that. And then I had kept this collage image that I had pulled out of a magazine for so long. It's been sitting in my drawer, and then I remembered that I had it, and I just loved it. I think it's so cute. So I kind of ripped it apart, and I put it on the first page of the December monthly. You know, they kind of give you a month or like a plain page in the beginning of the month where, I don't know, you could like write goals or something like that, but I just wanted to decorate it. So I put in this sweet little family illustration with the tree, and I just think it's the cutest picture. And it kind of reminded me of my kids, but the little kids were 2 boys, so I just added longer brown hair on one of them so that one of them was a girl. And then I went back and took a green marker and added a little border around that page just because it looked a little bit nude, and so I wanted to liven it up. And then my sister-in-law is totally awesome, and she had me for Secret Santa, and she gave me Sprocket paper, and then she gave me the Sarasa pens in the vintage colors. They're beautiful. They are so beautiful. I mean, I did ask for those things, but she got them for me, which was amazing. So, yeah, they're so gorgeous. I highly recommend. And then I'm just putting in pictures. All the cousins, like, we all take a picture of them in the same pajamas. My mother-in-law buys them all the same pajamas, and then they take, like, a cousin's picture every year. And so put that on there, super cute. And then I left it blank so that I could put a picture of them from the Science Center, but I didn't have any when I was journaling. And then these family stickers are so sweet. My friend Jamie sent them to me in a little happy mail, and they're adorable and were absolutely perfect for this weekend. So it was all about like family traditions and just feeling #blessed. I'm sorry for that. And let's see what else. I'm putting in a little foiled sticker, and then since I covered up the eye and the eye broke out, I put in gold foil letters and said "we broke out," because we did, and it was a serious team effort. I think all of us contributed something to the cause to get us out. It was really fun. And then I put in that sticker, I ate a vegetable, is from the Dollar Tree. They have these adulting pack of stickers that I bought, and usually when they come, it's just a bunch of eating, like, so, and not really the healthiest of foods probably. So I put in that adulting sticker that I ate a vegetable today. And then that pretty, like, pine tree, or the little, what kind is that? I don't know. Like the Christmas tree with a kind of frost on it, because it was snowing. And so everyone was kind of having to rearrange their travel plans because of this big snowstorm that hit Minnesota and Wisconsin, which kind of stunk. So, you know, is what it is. But on the upside, Addie did get this super adorable little like tile art kit that you can turn into refrigerator magnets. Well, her and I spent all morning making refrigerator magnet tiles, and it was really fun. I got super into it. And those are my zebra Sarasas in the beautiful vintage colors. You guys, you need them. They are beautiful. I don't think I'm going to write with anything else in my journal. I love them. Oh, so pretty. And I'm just writing about what we did on Sunday. And let's see, I put a little reindeer sticker on the bottom of that, because basically where my in-laws live up in Minnesota, it's like northern Minnesota, and you basically need to ride a reindeer to get to their house in snowstorms. So that's why I put that there. And then I put a little tag that said, craft now, clean later, because my house is kind of a pit, but I needed to do these tiles because it was just so fun. So I just didn't do anything except that. And then I put in a little Garanian stamp of my cats, like peeking around a corner, because they were in our bedroom. They spent the weekend in our bedroom. So when I finally let them out, they were like, what is this new world? Not that it was a real, like, hardship for them. They spend all day sleeping on our bed anyway, so they weren't real butthurt about it. But and then I put a little bunny in a car, and a crying bunny, because everyone had to leave, you know, and that makes us sad. And then let's see. Oh, I turned my thing from my pens into a little tip-in, just because I thought the colors were so pretty, and I wanted to record that I got them. They're so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I've seen them on Jet Pens. I've seen them on Tokyo Pen Shop. I'll see if I can find them on Amazon. I put another family sticker, family fun, on there, and then another heart. And I think that's basically, I had another sticker here just because I like the foiling. Oh, and then tomorrow on Monday, I put that little person on a scooter because it just made me laugh. And I'm put a cup of coffee because it's like the little person is scootering towards their coffee, which I'm going to do tomorrow when I go over to my parents. I'm going to scooter over for coffee, except not on a scooter, but it was just more fun that way. So this is what it ended up looking like, and I just think it's really cute, and it was fun. It was a great weekend, and even though this Arctic blast of a snowstorm wanted to ruin things for us, we still had a lot of fun. So I hope you had a great holiday. Oh, I had to add in some Posca hearts, or it's not me. Let's just be honest. So I hope your holiday was wonderful, or your weekend was just great, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks for journaling with me.